Welcome to Global Nature Facts. Today you are stepping into a world of wonder and mystery. Our planet is a treasure trove of secrets, and this channel is dedicated to bringing those hidden gems right to your fingertips. From the deepest corners of the jungle to the vibrant flowers of the ocean, we explore the heartbeat of the wild. I believe this channel will add great value to your life and knowledge. We won't just look at the beauty of nature. We will also learn practical things that matter. For example, do you know what to do in case of a snake bite? Oh, how to correctly identify different species? We provide life-saving information that everyone should know. We will also talk about various plant species, their incredible benefits to humans, and the vital role animals play in our ecosystem. You will witness the architectural genius of spiders weaving their webs. The animation color changes its fields of lizards and the untold stories of majestic birds. Whether it's flowing river systems of the hidden wonders of the sea, we cover it all. Our journey takes us beneath the waves to explore the breathtaking beauty of coral reefs, exotic marine plants, and the unique species of fish that illuminate the deep blue ocean. There is so much to discover and learn about the world underwater. As I embark on this new journey, I want to hear from you. What do you think about my new channel? Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Also, let me know what you would like to see in our next video. Your feedback is what drives this channel forward. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Nature Facts and join our community of nature lovers. Let's learn, discover, and protect the beauty of our world together. Thank you for watching.